What's up, everyone? So you probably clicked on this because you are undecided, you're looking for a review for the Done For You service. Let me just start off by saying you're completely right for looking for reviews, and I did too. But you should just don't hesitate with this kind of thing. Seriously, like, I know you're looking for, is it legit? Yes, it's legit. The reason for that is because the owner, Wesley Virgin, has been appeared on Forbes, Buzzfeed, Entrepreneur Magazine. People who love the great things that he does and stand behind are Kevin O'Leary from Shark Tank, Terrell Owens, football player, and tons of other people. I mean, I don't know what else more that you would need to know if this is a legit idea or a legit system. It's nothing new. Let me explain something to you. What this exactly is this is the same system that they use for themselves. All you're doing is paying for a system that usually would cost then tens of thousands of dollars. And the reason you might say, oh, that's a little ridiculous, it's probably not that much. Well, then why is he selling it for so low? Because it's a win-win. That's why it's being sold at the price that it is. Because they're already making money, and what you will receive won't be more than what they're making. They're going to make more money because it's their product. What you're going to receive is a commission. I think the commission it's very high. I think it might be like a little close to almost 50%, or if not, it probably is 50%. Reasons why you shouldn't hesitate on this kind of program is because it's new. The product itself, it's not new, but as far as in like to the public, it's still brand new. It hasn't been saturated yet. So you should definitely hop on this. I'm not gonna explain too much of what's in it because I feel like you need to pay for that service. I mean, it's there to pay for. It's not to be given out for free. There's a reason why you're paying for this kind of information. You might be saying, well, if it's knowledge and I'm only paying for information, that stuff should be free. No, that's not true, because if that was true, then schools would be giving out information for free. I mean, tuition would be free. You know, tons of that stuff would be free. But I'm sorry, that's just not the way that things work. Wesley and Ariella, they did put a lot of time into this program, and the reason why it's called Done For You is because they've done all the work for you. So you should have to pay for this service. If you want to learn how to make money online on ClickBank and make good sales and have sleep money is where you make money even while you're sleeping, then you should pay for this service. Me, as a regular average Joe, this kind of stuff doesn't rarely happen that often. You don't come across people like Wesley and Ariella who are willing to help and put the time in for you so you can get behind something that's going to actually put money in your pocket. Like I said, Wesley is very credible. This is not his first go around. The guy has great energy. He's from Houston. He gives back to the community all the time. I mean, he's not scared to open up his bank account, show you what he's making, show you step by step what he's doing for free. I mean, if you wanna learn more, then Google Wesley, go to his Instagram, go to his YouTube. But I wouldn't hesitate on this program. I mean, if anything, if I was Wesley, I would up the price on it, because they're getting a lot more than they're appreciating you for, and I appreciate this guy to the fullest. So, and Ariella's done so much too. I mean, they're literally, like the program says, done for you. They're doing everything for you. So my complete review is, yes, it is legit. You should take this opportunity to pay for it. Like, get it. Like, don't hesitate. Like, so when you click on it, you're going to register for the free training. You're going to grab a pen and pencil, or you can open up your notes on your phone and take notes. And if you come to the end and you're like, oh, that's a lot of money, you already spend all that money. You already spend that money on dumb stuff like going out to eat when, you know, you don't have to go out to eat. What do you do on the weekends? You drink beer, you go out, have a good time with friends, you go bowling, you go golfing, you go fishing. All that's money that you're already spending. I mean, if you don't have the money right now, then save up, and the return on this item is probably the best thing that you'll get your hands on in a while. And I would say that, remember, this thing is not, it's not, you're not going to become rich. I'm not going to promise you that you're going to become rich, because you have to do on your own. And I mean, the only reason it wouldn't work is because you're not working. Like, this isn't a get rich quick scheme. This is an opportunity to make some life changes, to think a different way. The only reason why you aren't seeing results with what you're doing now is because you're doing only what you're thinking. You're not letting anybody else help you. And you might be able to say, oh, well, if they really wanted to help me, they would be giving this information away for free. No, I mean, they've skipped all the learning curves. They've done all the work. You should pay for this kind of stuff. Like, I wouldn't feel bad. I don't feel bad paying for that kind of stuff, because they've done all these things for you. They've took the initiative for you to figure it all out. And this is why I say it's a win-win, because they get to make a lot of money and so do you. But remember that do this, you have to do it for 90 days straight. Like, do it for 90 days straight and you'll see your results. Sometimes it takes longer for other people. A lot of people have a lot of junk in their lives, like addictions and stuff like that. So all this stuff you got to cut out. It's really, it's all in your hands. If you want to skip the learning curve, then yes, purchase this system. But that's my review on the Done For You system. You should definitely get your hands on it while you still can.